Tesla Model 3 navigation issues, like a frozen screen or incorrect GPS, commonly stem from software glitches, connectivity problems, or, less often, hardware faults. Recent Tesla updates have improved reliability, but issues can still occur, especially in areas with poor cellular coverage. Knowing the cause will help you determine the fix. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, perform a full system reboot by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. This often clears temporary software glitches. Next, ensure you have a strong cellular or Wi-Fi connection, as navigation relies on real-time data. Outdated software is often the primary cause of navigation issues in Tesla Model 3 vehicles. Tesla releases frequent over-the-air software updates that specifically target navigation bugs and enhance GPS accuracy. For instance, the full self-driving version 13 update in mid-2025 integrated real-time traffic data from partners like Google Maps and Waze, significantly reducing routing freezes. Over 80% of Model 3 owners reported complete resolution of navigation problems after installing this update. To check for and install updates, navigate to the Settings menu on your Tesla's touchscreen, select Software, and look for available updates. You can install them directly through the car's interface or via the Tesla mobile app. These updates are delivered wirelessly and typically resolve most navigation-related glitches without needing a service visit. Weak GPS signals are a primary cause of navigation issues in Tesla Model 3 vehicles. These problems commonly occur in urban canyons where tall buildings block satellite signals, or in tunnels where GPS reception is completely lost. Poor cellular coverage in remote areas can also contribute to stuck routing and unresponsive navigation. To resolve GPS signal issues, first ensure your vehicle has a clear view of the sky. Park in an open area away from buildings or structures that might obstruct satellite signals. This allows the GPS antenna to acquire a strong signal from multiple satellites. Try resetting location services in the vehicle's settings menu. This clears any cached GPS data and forces the system to reacquire signals. On the Tesla touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security, and select Reset Location. If issues persist in specific locations, download offline maps to reduce reliance on real-time GPS data. In the navigation menu, select the area you need and download it for offline use. This works even without cellular connectivity and prevents navigation from getting stuck. If your Model 3 is still showing the wrong location, try resetting location services. In your Tesla's settings, navigate to Controls, then Service, and select Factory Reset. This will not erase your personal data, but will reset navigation-related settings to their defaults. After the reset, re-enter your destination to see if the issue is resolved. Hardware problems in Tesla Model 3 navigation are less common than software issues, but they can occur. These typically involve failures in the GPS antenna or navigation module. If software updates and resets haven't resolved the problem, hardware may be the culprit. Tesla has issued a voluntary recall for certain 2021-2023 Model 3 vehicles to replace faulty GPS antennas. This image shows the GPS and LTE signals radiating from the antennas in the side mirrors of a Tesla Model 3. These antennas are crucial for receiving GPS data and cellular connectivity. If the antenna is faulty, the navigation system may lose signal or become unresponsive, especially in areas with poor coverage. This X-ray-like view shows the internal structure of the Tesla's rear-view mirror area. The expanded circular view highlights components within the mirror housing. The red square may indicate a faulty sensor or connection point that could affect navigation signals. Hardware diagnostics can identify such issues. This image demonstrates antenna replacement, a common hardware fix for navigation problems. If diagnostics confirm a faulty antenna, Tesla service can replace it. Many such repairs are covered under warranty, especially for recalled vehicles. This diagram shows the pinout of a GPS module, illustrating the connections for power, transmit, receive, and ground. In Tesla vehicles, similar modules require proper electrical connections. If any pins or wires are damaged, navigation will fail. Professional diagnostics are essential for identifying these issues. If you suspect a hardware problem after trying software solutions, contact Tesla service immediately for professional diagnostics. Repairs for recalled vehicles or warranty-covered issues are typically free. Never attempt to repair navigation hardware yourself, as this could void warranties or cause further damage. Advanced troubleshooting for Tesla Model 3 navigation issues includes resetting the electronic control unit, or ECU, using an OBD2 tool. Some users have reported success with this method, which clears corrupted data caches that can cause routing freezes or GPS failures. However, this is an advanced technique that should only be attempted by experienced individuals or professionals. Incorrectly resetting the ECU can cause further system issues or data loss. Before attempting this fix, consult online tutorials and forums for guidance. A popular resource is Tesla Mechanics on YouTube, who documented a 2025 case where ECU reset via OBD2 tools resolved stuck navigation.